Now we will build a simple mini assistant that acts like a school tutor. The assistant's job is to explain things in a beginner-friendly way. We define a Python function, get_tutor_response, which takes your question and sends it to the AI. The system message tells the model to act like a helpful tutor. You get to ask a question and see the AI's friendly answer. We import the necessary libraries to start the script. We import the OS module to access operating system features like environment variables. We import the OpenAI client from the OpenAI library to interact with AI models. We fetch your OpenAI API key from your environment securely. This line gets your OpenAI API key from the environment variables. We create a client object that connects to OpenAI using your API key. We start our mini project by defining a function for the tutoring assistant. This function, get_tutor_response, will take a question as input. Inside the function, we call the chat completions API of the client. We specify the model to use for generating the response. We prepare the messages to send to the model, starting with a system message giving context. We include the user's question as the next message in the conversation. We close the messages array and the API call. We return the content of the first message choice given by the API. Outside the function, we prompt the user to ask a question for the tutor assistant. We print the tutor assistant's reply by calling the function with the user input. Running the cell now. This output demonstrates the response generated by a tutoring assistant powered by the OpenAI API, answering a user's question about Python variables. Notice how the assistant clearly explains the concept, provides simple code examples, and highlights key points, all of which shows how the code's intent is to create an interactive, helpful tutor for coding learners. This practical use of the API emphasizes how you can build a conversational assistant that offers detailed, context-aware programming explanations. Enjoy chatting with your own mini educational assistant.